Hello friends, our today's subject is physics and topic is center of gravity. So, Earth attracts every particle towards its center by force of gravity acting on the particle, which is called weight of the particle. Now, suppose this is a body and this is composed of large number of particles of weight W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, W7, W8. Okay, and these as the size of the body is smaller in comparison to the size of the earth, so the force of gravity W acting on these particles is parallel to each other. Okay, is parallel to each other, and these parallel forces acting in the same direction can be replaced by a one force, which is W of magnitude equal to the sum of all these particles of weight, like W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4 and so on. And here the W is the total weight of the body. Now the question arises, where the weight W act? The weight W is considered to act at a point G. Where such that the algebraic sum of moments due to weights of each particle about the point G is 0. Here the G is called center of gravity. Now let's see the definition of this center of gravity. Now the center of gravity of a body is a point about which the algebraic sum of moments of all the particles constituting the body is 0. Here the entire weight of the body can be considered to act at this point, however the body is placed. Now this is very important. Okay, this is very important. Note, first, the position of center of gravity of a body of a given mass depends on its shape, that is on the distribution of mass in it. Now it changes if the body is deformed. Now for example, let's take one example. Here the center of gravity of a straight uniform wire, this is wire, okay, this is wire. Center of gravity of this straight uniform wire will lie at the middle of its length. Okay, and if the same wire is deformed into a circle, the center of gravity will be at its center of the body. Okay, this is first. Now second point. It is not necessary that the center of gravity will always be within the material of the body. It is not necessary. It is not necessary to center of. It is not necessary that center of gravity will always be within the material of the body. Okay, for example, the center of gravity of a ring or a hollow sphere will always will be in the center of the ring where there is no material. Okay, center the ring where there is no material. Now third point, by the concept of center of gravity, a body of weight W can be considered as a point particle of weight W at its center of gravity. These 3 points is very important. Thank you.